Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fix error 524. This error occurs when Cloudflare successfully connects to your origin web server, but the server fails to provide an HTTP response within the default 100-second timeout period. Essentially, Cloudflare is waiting for a reply that never arrives in time, leading to a broken connection. Understanding this fundamental issue is the first step toward effective troubleshooting and resolution. Several factors commonly contribute to error 524. Your server might be overwhelmed with requests, lacking sufficient resources like CPU or memory to respond promptly. Additionally, certain operations, such as large data exports or intricate database queries, can take longer than the 100-second limit. Sometimes, firewall settings or network issues between Cloudflare and your server can also prevent a timely response. To begin resolving error 524, focus on your origin server. Start by optimizing server resources and database performance to ensure quicker responses. Pinpoint any scripts or processes that consistently run for extended periods. These might need optimization or relocation to a subdomain not proxied by Cloudflare. Always check your server logs for detailed error messages and verify that your firewall settings are not inadvertently blocking Cloudflare's requests. For more advanced solutions, consider increasing PHP execution limits and aligning your server's timeout settings with Cloudflare's 100-second default. If you are an enterprise Cloudflare customer, you have the option to extend the proxy read timeout significantly, up to 6,000 seconds. For long-running tasks, implement asynchronous processing. Finally, proactive monitoring of server performance and upgrading hosting resources are key to preventing future occurrences of error 524.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.